In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can scan for channels here on an Amazon Fire TV. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. From the home screen, what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way over to the settings over here. Once you're in your settings, scroll down a little bit and look for this little live TV option right here. Select it. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. And what you're looking for is going to be a channel scan option on here. Go ahead and select that. You may need to hit manage channels first, so keep that in mind. But essentially go into the advanced options, choose the option that matches your setup, whether it's digital only, analog, digital and analog, or cable only. In my case, I'm only doing digital only, so that's what I'm going to select. Choose your option, hit the back button, and then select next in order to start that channel scan, and your Fire TV will begin searching for all available channels. If you're using an antenna or cable connection, this may take a few minutes. If channels are found, they'll appear as the scan runs. If nothing shows up the first time, try running that scan again. This process can be a little bit finicky. But from here, you'll see several options like turn on automatic service updates, view or manage favorite channels. In manage channels, you'll also see all your live TV sources. And if you ever want to rescan, just go back to this exact same section and run another channel scan from here. But that is it. To access your channels at any time, just go back and you're going to see a live TV option right here. You can scroll down and you'll see all of your channels directly from the home screen. But that is it. That is how you can scan for channels here on an Amazon Fire TV. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.